Hey hopefuls, so I'm back from Kirklands with Mama, and we went to Bath and Body Works. We're gonna go to Five Below because I wanted to go in there early before stuff gets picked over for the boys. But I'll just go back one day next week, and then we went to Kirklands, Michael's, and Bath and Body Works. I'll show you what I picked up today really quickly because my battery's gonna die. So I got some ribbon today. I know better to not wait with Michael's if you want the best selection. So they still have lots to choose from, but if you're looking for the best ribbon, it's best to get it early. So I cut up all my buffalo check ribbon that I have like this, even though I am getting a little fatigued with the buffalo print, but I still love it. So this was 40% off. Usually Michael's, before the pandemic, they have like a 60% off Christmas stuff. So the coupons are not as great. That's why I probably have not been back, because I love myself some Michael's. I got the Merry Christmas ribbon. This was $4.99. It was 40% off $9.99. Josiah and I are going to do a village. So I have some Dollar Tree houses that I've been collecting, and I got the blanket cover today. This is the kind with the glitter, so it was $7.99. I got this, I think 40% off of this, or 20%. So I had two coupons, and then either 40 or 20% off of the $2.99 of the hooks. So we have not decorated the tree. Josiah's my only one that is interested in helping Mommy decorate the tree. I think JJ did it one time, but not so much anymore. So these books, Happy Planner books, they were $5.97 on sale. So these are normally on clearance. These are normally $19.99. I never get them for that price. I always use a coupon. But since the pandemic, I really haven't been in there, but they haven't had the greatest coupons, but I kind of stopped keeping track. So I got the horizontal layout. I used to have every single sticker book that comes out, but I don't anymore. So check your Michael's. The color story, already have that one. That one was $5.97. I'm so glad I went in there because I was about to pay regular price for this one, even though they have Afterpay. Do you guys know about Afterpay, where you can divide your payments up on the Happy Planner website? So I got this one. Let me do a quick flip through really quickly. So I just been trying to get back into my planner consistently, decorating, you know, guys. And though it's not much to plan out, but this is almost like my regular life anyway, though I am limited of where I go, but it's almost the same. I still have like YouTube content, blog content, other things to plan out. And then this one, Life is a Party, I don't have this one. These been out for a minute now, so that's why they're on clearance. But when I was new, I used to get every book that came out, but I don't anymore. Let me show you. Oh, one second. And then I got the Genuine North Pole Hot Cocoa signed today. It was 40% off. I have been eyeing this for a couple of years, and I finally got it today. So I knew it would be perfect for this spot over here. I'll probably do a tour, but I'm not done over here. But I had this other one. My table is like full of Christmas decor. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. I had that one up there, but just so I was eating left a mess. But it fit really great up here, but I just wanted this one. It went really great. Bye-bye. Nothing. So then I went to Kirklands. Now, so these were on clearance in the back section of Kirklands, where they have the green sticker items. And this came out to be, I think she gave me a 25% off sticker. No, because these were clearance. It wouldn't have came off of that regular price. But anyway, this was only $2.97. So I thought it was $5.97, but it was $2.97. It's a 5x7 frame where you can put one up there. So I only got one of those. And then this one is the one that caught my eye. It was $9.97. And I just need more frames. I think this is a 5x7. It's just so big. So these are non-returnable. She did let me know that. I got some of these little sachets. And Naya B, she has a YouTube channel on here on YouTube, but I went to school with Naya, and she told me about, I think she mentioned this on her channel. So she mentioned where these little sachets that you get from Kirklands, they would always smell good, or you try to put them in a vacuum cleaner, you know, the old school vacuum cleaner or whatever, to make it smell good, but it never smells as great as it does in Kirkland's. So what she said was put in a saucepan and add some water. So I have one saucepan designated to these, which I don't burn them all the time because they can be strong, you know, and just put it on the eye on low. And this one it's the most wonderful, like, time of the year. And it smells so good. Okay, so then I got these, and I was like, Hope, do you really want these? Because I didn't really want to spend money on Christmas decorations, y'all. But they were super cute, and it was a good price. So their regular price, $24.99, and these were $18. So kind of got a, well, I tried to get the ones that didn't have a lot of glue on them. They have like lights, and you have to put 3 AA lights in here. So this is the largest one. They had a smaller one, I think was it $9? I'm not sure, but this one was $12. So I got 2 to put in front of the tree. And we don't put presents out until Christmas morning. That's how we do it here. My mom used to just put it up under the tree. And I remember I'd go peek into it. I know she's going to see this. And I would tape it back perfectly. And she wouldn't even know. And I didn't have no surprises on Christmas. She would maybe add a couple things as we got older. But when we were younger, she would add more. So Jason said his mom didn't do that. She didn't have any presents under the tree. So in the morning, you can wake up and be like, oh, you know, especially when they're really young. So that's what we do. And my husband doesn't request too many things. So when he wants to do something in particular, I just say, okay, whatever you say. All right, y'all, hold on. Lastly, I went to Bath & Body Works, and now we have one in our town that's next to us, instead of going to the other town, which is about 18 minutes away. And I'm glad, because I will let so many coupons expire, or they'll have a special, and I didn't want to pay shipping because their shipping is kind of high, at like $10, y'all. Or I just didn't feel like driving down there, being lazy. Because when I grew up, we grew up in the country, so we had to drive to Raleigh and Cary for everything. So now we a little spoiled and don't like to drive anywhere. And so I mainly went in there because you guys know on Saturday, by the time you guys just see this, maybe you see this on Sunday, they had their lotions for $3.25. So I wanted to focus on the men in my house today, and not so myself, because I have like Bath & Body Works, but I never finish the bottle 80% of the time. So I didn't want to concentrate on myself. So I got some for them. I got marble. $3.25, you cannot beat, y'all. I did get this for myself, and I looked at the ones that had the less on the shelf. And it was hard to smell it through the mask, but this smelled really good. Frosted Coconut Snowball. This one for myself, Sweater Weather. This smells good. I love clean, fresh scents. When I was younger, I liked fruity scents. So I got marble for them. 2 of them are dupes. So the Ocean and marble are dupes, because I don't know what exactly they're like. I think these are the exact, it's just the packaging is a little different. I got this one. This one smells amazing too. What is that? Somebody dropped something. I got Graphite. I got someone this last year for Christmas in the tube. That's a duplicate. I should have got a duplicate of everything, so I can just tell them, pick what you want. The Atlantic, because it's not that many men scents. Bourbon and Teakwood. Sorry, y'all. I don't know why I'm smacking my lips. Oh, no, I got 4 for myself. Oh, I thought I got less than that. So I should have gotten duplicates of some of these. So I know they had this sale not too long ago. So if they have it again, I'm definitely going to go, because this is a great way to get Christmas presents. Yeah, I should have got... It was a limit of 20. I should have got close to 20. I think I got 12. So then I could have got my niece some stuff too, and also my brother. So I should have got duplicates. So Mama gave me her. So I got all of that for $40, y'all. Mama gave me her 20% off coupon, and then she had a free item. So she loves Japanese cherry blossoms. So I got her the one in the tube, and then I got 5. Yeah, I gave her one. So I got 5 of these little sanitizers. They were 5 for $8. And I love this one. Love, love, love. Haven't tried these before. They're seasonal. And then I gave Mama, I don't know which one it was. I forgot what it was called, but it was crushed peppermint, and I'm not a fan of crushed peppermint. So I said she can have it. But that's all I got today, y'all. I did want to go to Five Below. JJ wanted a basketball, but I was debating if I should get one from there because I didn't know if it was the best of quality. But anyway, I should at least got the max because you cannot beat $3.12 for these body lotions. But I have a lot of lotion upstairs too, but I thought this would be a great time to get it for them. Okay, y'all. All right, bye.